Most Ford key fobs can be opened using the embedded emergency key. First, locate the small button or latch on the fob. It's usually on the side or back. Press this button to release and remove the metal emergency key. Next, insert the key into the slot revealed after removing it. Gently twist the key counterclockwise. This action unlocks the case, allowing you to carefully pry it open. Avoid using metal tools, as they can scratch or damage the plastic. Newer EVs have sealed fobs, requiring dealership service. This method works for most Ford Lincoln models like Edge, Fusion, and Escape. Once the fob case is open, you'll see the battery, typically a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. Identify the CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Use a non-conductive tool, like a plastic pry tool, to gently remove the old battery. Note the battery's polarity. The positive plus side should usually face up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented. Now, reassemble the fob case, pressing the two halves together until they snap shut with an audible click. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If the fob has a proximity sensor, realign it during reassembly for optimal range. Always handle with anti-static precautions.